Morning everyone. Today's my lecture topic is Quad. Quad also known as the QSD, which stands for Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. Basically, it is an informal strategic forum for four countries: India, USA, Japan, and Australia. The idea of the Quad first time mooted by the former Prime Minister of Japan, Mr. Shinzo Abe, in 2007, who is also known as the father of Quad. In 2007, although Quad established, when the Quad established, America shows very little respect to Quad because at that time he issued a sanction on Iran, so he wanted the part of China, and China see Quad as a Asian NATO. So America not so a great interest, and also in 2010, Australia pulling back itself from Quad membership. So Quad is very dormant at that time, but in 2017, when Australia joined Quad again, and also the president of America, Mr. Donald Trump, and the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, and others Prime Minister of other countries met together, and they talk about some international issues as global warming, how they can tackle the terrorism and other thing. Then the group was revived again. So if we talk about the why the Quad was established, the first thing is to counter China, because the China's influence in Indo-Pacific region is increased day by day, and America see China and Russia as its rival countries, and also India wanted to reduce China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. So main first reason is this, to reduce China's influence in Indo-Pacific region, and the second one is to promote a open, safe and inclusive trade in Indo-Pacific region, so that all the four countries can trade between Indo-Pacific region safely. And the third one is they started for the military cooperation a Malabar exercise, trilateral Malabar exercise, where India, Japan, and America joined and practiced. But now Australia also joined the Malabar exercise. If we talk about the challenges of Quad, so the first challenge is China, because China see as Quad is a ASEAN NATO, and it is only for China's. And the second one is India and USA relation. India and USA relation is a little bit good, but not so great, because USA provides Pakistan advanced weapon, and Pakistan use that kind of advanced weapon against India. So India is not very happy with USA. And third one is um, Japan and Australia dependency on the China, because one third part of economy Japan and Australia depends on the China trade, so they cannot openly against China. So this is also one factor. If we talk about the conclusion of this whole summary, then if all the four countries cooperate and help each others, then the Quad will be successful in future, and they can easily counter the terrorism, global warming, and also they can reduce the China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region, and they can also accelerate their economic growth. Thank you.